I took the regular auto course my freshman year with the previous teacher, and I enjoyed the course, but I heard that it was a much more fleshed out course here with the new teacher.
The auto class just got a brand new instructor, which would be Benjamin May, and I wanted to join to see if I could fix a car.
I enrolled last year for the first time because I was really interested in cars, and I didn't expect to learn as much as I did from it.
One hands-on project I worked on is the coolant flush on my own car, my Ford Explorer. So I was able to bring it in and diagnose the problem, and I replaced the thermostat on the car, and all that's something that I wouldn't have been able to do just by myself without the help of the auto shop. And it was just awesome to be able to do it on your own car.
I didn't realize how much precision goes into working on cars, going torque spec on every single bolt, just problem solving in general. So it has nothing to do with cars, but going through and finding the fixes or the most common problems.
Oh, well, we have a Beetle in the garage right now, and it needs a lot of work, but I'm learning a lot from it because it's one of those cars that sort of is very different from modern cars because of how old it is. So it has drum brakes, and we're doing a full drum brake replacement on it right now.
As soon as you get up to advanced classes, you'll be working up on machines, and if you're at the very top, you'll be working on your own cars.
I expected to gain some auto skills, like basic auto skills, but being around so many heavy-duty machines has taught me to be super careful and super precise and very aware of my surroundings and what I do.
The stuff I learned in this class I can definitely apply to just performing maintenance, routine maintenance on my own car, just in my driveway or whatever. But then also with the stuff I've been able to learn in class, I could get just a side job as a mechanic if I wanted to.
At the moment, I'm thinking about going into the Army to do aircraft mechanics, and overall, this problem solving that I learned from this class would help a lot with that.
Knowing enough about cars to hold your own and be able to fix what you can fix and know what needs to be fixed going into the garage when you need something to get fixed for you. It's very mature, and it's something that I feel like it's a skill everyone should have.